Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Ayurveda Udhar. Today we are discussing about Anand Bhairav Ras tablets. This Anand Bhairav Ras tablets can be given in all types of fever. In ordinary fever, giving one tablet with honey twice a day is very beneficial. When the fever is very loud and the patient is nervous due to fever not getting less, then Anand Bhairav Ras tablets is very beneficial. Then temperature of fever must be decreased. If the fever is not to be reduced, then only honey with Anand Bhairav Ras tablets should be given in the morning. Due to this, the fever is slowly digested and relieved. Anand Bhairav Ras tablets contain pure toxin, dry ginger, nutmeg, black chili, and black peppercorns, and other Ayurvedic jadi booties. Anand Bhairav Ras tablets is available in Bednath, Dabur, which you can order from your nearest Ayurvedic medical or online medium. Friends, if you like our video, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.